standing up. Doing pretty good. Just taking a break. Been raking all day. Gotta come check on him. Super cute. This one's everyone's favorite right here. That's actually somebody else behind there. Still gotta clean her up. You lay down here. Hey, what's going on, Betty? Yeah, they're all boys. Yeah, the pink nose is the best. So sleepy. I tried to do a video of the alpacas and stuff over there, but I don't have LTE over there. It's just 3G. Hey, stretch. Yeah, it's in the description, all the names. This was the firstborn, and then the secondborn is over there, and the thirdborn's underneath there. No worries. I'm doing amazing. I've just been real busy. I've been raking poop. Working on my compost piles. Having a good time. Hey buddy, how's it going? Figured I'd hang out with these guys for a few minutes. Oh, you're so soft. Yeah. Part of the life. Part of the life. Oh, it's fine. He's actually nursing over there. He's doing great. Yeah, goats are awesome, huh? Baby goats on college campuses, huh? That's interesting. I had a girl a few years ago who wanted to take one to her college campus. She was trying to get approval or something. Let me get up from the ground here. Let's see what we got going on over here. Who's this? This one's only getting the milk. I got a bunch more. I'm in Southern California. A bunch more that are getting ready to kid. Probably in a few days we'll have more births. Yeah. You're still kind of gooey. Let's everybody see your face. Oops. Where are you going? You're shy. Florida, right on. I lived in Florida for a while, 2003, West Palm Beach. No, they're not scared. They're babies. They just don't know me yet. Yeah, they're pretty soft. You're funny looking. You're funny looking. I'm going to show you guys my new, my new goat. He's over there behind. Punch them, what? No, they're too young to be playing like that. The older bucklings, they'll punch your, if you put your fist like that, they'll headbutt your fist. But these guys are just babies. Yeah. You don't want to make them all mean anyways. Hello. This one's checking up. This one's over here. There's the new guy over there. He's a full Nubian. This guy, Mickey. Hey, Mickey. I love his ears. These guys are looking for a bottle. Yeah, they're pets. I breed them for family pet goats for people. Yeah, I've got a slide. I took it out because I didn't want the babies getting stuck under it. Since they're so little, they gotta figure it all out. They're moving around quite a bit for being just 24 hours old. Usually they sleep the whole time. So yeah, I'm getting excited. Some of my favorite goats are gonna be kidding pretty soon. So. Yeah, she's doing real well. What are you doing? Complainer. This is my new favorite one right here. Let me go in there, I'll show you guys. She's doing good. Alright, bro. One more time. Just your last warning. This guy's name is Dog. It's a beautiful Nubian. Beautiful Nubian buckling. Yeah. These guys are chowing on the mineral block. This is Elsa right here. What are you doing, Elsa? She's got blue eyes. Mickey has blue eyes too. I don't know what you're saying is rude, dude. People are upset with you, so just chill out. That babies are good. I was just over there. They're right here. Ah! I got a lot. Yeah, dog has big ears. That's the Nubian ears. Yeah, I don't like that term Oreo. It's kind of racist. Trying to avoid that. Everyone wants to name a goat Oreo. I don't like it. All getting milk. Everyone's favorites over there sleeping. You like the last one the best? I changed my mind. I like the first one the best. Little pink nose over here. This one. It's kind of hard to see this lighting though, huh? It's too bright. Yeah, right on. Welcome back. There's your baby, right? Oh, you're yelling. You're looking for the milk, you're on the wrong end of the goat. There you go. Now she's on it. Yeah, he's chilling in the sun. My iPhone doesn't really like it, but it's alright. One day I'll get a new phone. I'm still on the 5S. That pink nose though. Can't see the screen, so I don't know. Yeah, the middle one has a lot to say, right? Well, you got a fly in your nose. That fly's all over you. Yeah, it's adorable. I know, I love the pink noses always. Like if you look at my website for Goat Companions, I got a picture of one with the pink nose. I think it's cute. Yeah, it's a good life. A lot of hard work, but I enjoy hard work, so it's very, very rewarding, right? No labor yet. So they're all just chilling. Yeah, my llamas and alpacas are friendly. I know, right? It's because of the mini Nubian. Because they have Nigerian and Nubian in there. So Nigerians oftentimes have 3, and she's a big girl, so. Oh, don't step on them. Jeez. The yellow on them is actually not from the birth. That's actually iodine from the umbilical cord. We dip the umbilical cords, so yeah. What are you doing, dude? Yeah, no worries. Right on, we'll check back with you guys later. Just figured I'd do a quick scope. Camera shy. Yeah. I think they're just resting. Being born is quite an experience. It takes them a few days to really start moving around. You learn a lot, that's great. I'm happy to share some knowledge. I think that's what it's all about on here, to see different parts of life. I enjoy watching you guys' scopes too. I try and follow back some of you guys if you guys have scopes and whatnot. I follow back everybody on Snapchat, so if you guys are doing snaps, I'll check them out. Snapchat's a lot easier for me. Hey, Oklahoma, right on. Sucking the milk down. Oh, right on. I actually made a catch.me /TC Visionary as well, so they'll get onto my Twitter and they'll go on there and all that. So TC Visionary on Twitter as well. Turkey! Hey, how's it going? Right on, man. Yeah, Snapchat's kind of a learning curve, but it's really awesome. I love it. My sister was trying to get me into it for like a couple of years now, but I finally just got into it a couple weeks ago. I love it. Because you can do quick little video clips and you know, photos and such. You can also chat privately with people, like instant message kind of thing. So yeah, if you guys are on there and you want to hang out, hit me up, tcmorgan. I love those chocolate hearts. They make me hungry. Punch that bag. They punch the bag to get the milk flow going, so that's normal. I live in Southern California, USA, about half an hour from Los Angeles. Yeah. And actually, as the baby goats get bigger, they'll actually lift the mother off the ground. That's how hard they punch. Poor mother, right? But goats are pretty tough. It's pretty amazing. Pretty amazing. Yeah. I have milked them. I try not to because I just don't really have time. I'd like to one day, but I need to get the machine. Later. I'll see you, man. I have a lot of other stuff going on in life, so I think one day maybe I'll get into it. But I gotta get the proper machinery because doing it by hand is really a lot of work. Your hands get sore real quick. I got pretty strong hands, but man, that takes a special person. Those pioneers were pretty amazing. We don't realize how good we got it. Alright, well, I think I'm out of here. One last shot of dog. He's still a little shy. Yep, I'll see you guys later. Have a great day. If I can end this. Peace out.